Question number 91. Your company is planning to migrate to Microsoft Azure and Microsoft 365. You are required to identify a cloud service that allows for web hosting. Which of the following is the module you should choose? Option A, Software as a Service. Option B, Platform as a Service. Option C, Infrastructure as a Service. Option D, Container as a Service. The correct answer is option B, Platform as a Service. Question number 92. Your company is planning to migrate to Microsoft Azure and Microsoft 365. You are required to identify a cloud service that allows for deployment of a Linux virtual machine. Which of the following is the module you should choose? Option A, Software as a Service. Option B, Platform as a Service. Option C, Infrastructure as a Service. Option D, Container as a Service. The correct answer is option C, Infrastructure as a Service. Question number 93. Your company plans to migrate from on-prem to a hybrid cloud deployment. You are required to make sure that the Microsoft platform used for migration offers hybrid abilities. Which of the following options meet the requirement? Answer by dragging the correct options from the list to the answer area. On the left side, you have the options. On the right side, you have the answer area. The correct answers are Microsoft SharePoint and Microsoft Skype for Business. Question number 94. You need to consider the underlying segment to establish whether it is accurate. All applications will remain in a hybrid environment after migrating to Microsoft Azure. Select No Adjustment Required if the underlying segment is accurate. If the underlying segment is inaccurate, select the accurate option. Option A, No Adjustment Required. Option B, Applications that manage sensitive information. Option C, Applications where access requires a USB token device. Option D, All legacy applications. The correct answer is option D, All legacy applications. Question number 95. A company is investigating Microsoft Cloud Services. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, servers in a public cloud are owned and operated by the hosting company. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is, storage in a public cloud is owned and operated by the hosting company. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is, Microsoft Azure is an example of a public cloud. The correct answer is yes. Question number 96. Your company has a Microsoft 365 subscription. You have been tasked making sure that the IT department users can obtain Office 365 preview features prior to it being deployed to the rest of the company's user. Which of the following are the two actions that would meet your goal? Answer by dragging the correct options from the list to the answer area. On the left side, you have the options, and on the right side, you have the answer area. The correct answers are, instruct IT users to sign up for Office Insider, and set the update preference to targeted release for selected users in the organizational profile. Question number 97. You need to consider the underlying segment to establish whether it is accurate. To ensure that when a new Microsoft Word feature is available for worker to install as soon as it becomes available, Users subscribe to the targeted release channel. Select No Adjustment Required if the underlying segment is accurate. If the underlying segment is inaccurate, select the accurate option. Option A, No Adjustment Required. Option B, Standard Release. Option C, Semi-Annual. Option D, Annual. The correct answer is Option A, No Adjustment Required. Question number 98. A company is evaluating Microsoft Cloud Service offerings. Match each offering to the cloud service. On the left side, you have the offerings. On the right side, you have the cloud service and you need to choose the correct offering. The first cloud service is Infrastructure as a Service. The correct offering is Microsoft Azure Virtual Network. The second cloud service is Platform as a Service. The correct offering is Microsoft Azure Logic Apps. The third cloud service is Software as a Service. The correct offering is Microsoft Dynamics 365. Question number 99. A company is developing their Windows as a Service strategy. The company needs to preview features from Microsoft in the development cycle as soon as possible. You need to select the correct solution. Which solution should you use? Option A, Servicing Channel. Option B, Proof of Concept. Option C, Deployment Rings. Option D, Flighting. The correct answer is Option D, Flighting. Question number 100. A company is developing their Windows as a Service strategy. The company wants to roll out the most recently released Windows updates to specific devices before rolling them out to other devices. You need to recommend the correct feature to meet the requirement. Which feature should you recommend? Option A, Servicing Channel. Option B, Deployment Ring. Option C, Insider Preview Build. Option D, Servicing Stack Updates. Option E, Group Policies. The correct answer is Option B, Deployment Rings.